Welcome back, guys, to Ask Profe Angela, where you get to be the stars of the show. I wonder, were we in a mid of a storm, or were we in the middle of a storm? A mid and middle. Would you like to know how to use them properly in a sentence? Great. Let's watch. Hit it. Question of the week. Profe Angela, what is the difference between a mid and middle? Thank you, Derek, Nigeria, West Africa. Great question, Derek. The words amid and middle are both synonyms and are similar in meaning. However, both words are used differently. Amid is a preposition that shows certain kinds of relationships between other words. For example, John looked for his friend amid the crowd. Or, he came into the room amid a flurry of activities. Whereas middle is the central part, point, or position of something and can be used as an adjective, noun, or verb. For example, as an adjective, he is the middle singer within the group. As a noun, he poked his classmate in the middle of her cheek. And as a verb, every shot he took with the bat, he middled.
Now for this week's sentence challenge.
Make a sentence featuring a mid or middle. Now remember, number 1, both words are synonyms with a similar meaning. Number 2, a mid is a preposition. And number 3, middle can be used as an adjective, noun, or verb. And if you need help, remember the tips in this video and practice. Hey Derek, thank you so much for this week's question about a mid and middle. And good luck, you guys, on this week's sentence challenge. Remember, if you need help, just type your question in the comment box below, and I will give you a quick reply. All right, everyone, that's it on this week of Ask Profe Angela, where you get to be the stars of your English language learning experience. And remember, if you're my English language warriors, hit that like button. And if you like what you saw, hit the subscribe button and become a part of the APA family. Have a great rest of your weekend, and I'll see you next time. See you.